Hello students. In this video we will discuss different experiments on respiration in plants. Before understanding the respiration in plants through certain experiments, first you have to understand that there are two instruments. First is respiroscope. Respiroscope is an instrument where we perform respiration in case of plants or in case of seeds, while the another instrument is respirometer. Respirometer is the instrument which is used to measure the rate of respiration. What amount of oxygen is used, what amount of carbon dioxide is released. If anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not used, how much carbon dioxide is released, that we can measure with the help of respirometer. Now the first experiment is to show that demonstrate aerobic respiration in case of plants. In this experiment, we will take one respirometer along with germinating seeds and one of the respirometer without the germinating seeds. See, whenever we are doing any experiment in case of the plant, we always perform two experiments simultaneously. In one of the experiment, all favorable conditions are there, while in one of the experiment, one of the condition is control. That experiment is called control experiment. So we will take two respiroscope. In one of the respiroscope we will take seeds, and in one of the respiroscope we will not take seeds. Anyway, now we will put this respiroscope in a vertical position in a beaker as shown in the diagram, in which already mercury is filled. Please keep in your mind that we have to keep that straight. Otherwise, if it is slanting, some air can enter through it. And make sure that the entire respiroscope or whatever the instrument you people are using, it should be airtight. Otherwise, air can enter from the surrounding and you are not able to measure that how much amount of air is used from the respiroscope itself, or it may enter from the outside, which can which can disturb your reading. Clear? So you have to ensure that the instrument should be airtight, and number two, that it should be in a vertical position. Now what you will do, you will take one test tube, and in that test tube take some of the amount of KOH and put that KOH, that test tube along with the KOH in the respiroscope. Now what is the use of KOH? KOH absorb carbon dioxide. So now your respiroscope is free from carbon dioxide. So you can say whatever air is there, out of that only oxygen and other gases are there, carbon dioxide is not there, or the carbon dioxide released will whatever the carbon dioxide will release during the process of respiration, that will also absorb by KOH. So it will not disturb the entire experiment or entire process. Now when you keep it for an hour or so, what you will find that the respiroscope in which already seeds are there, the level of mercury will increase by 1/5 of the volume. Now why the 1/5 of volume? Out of air, seeds will absorb 1/5 amount of oxygen for respiration, and whatever carbon dioxide will produce, that will use by KOH. कहने का मतलब है कि जो भी रेस्पिरोस्कोप के अंदर ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है, एयर प्रेजेंट है सॉरी, उसमें से 1/5 पार्ट जो है वो ऑक्सीजन है, एंड दैट ऑक्सीजन विल यूटिलाइज एट द टाइम ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. और जो भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनी वो रेस्पिरोस्कोप के जो आपने बीकर के अंदर KOH का पैलेट रखा हुआ है, टेस्ट ट्यूब रखा हुआ है, दैट विल एब्जॉर्ब. तो क्या होगा, when it will absorb oxygen, a void is created, a gap is created. To fill that gap, the level of mercury will increase, which proves that during this process seeds have used oxygen for germination or for respiration. In the another one where you have not taken seed, or you may take boiled seed also if you want to take seed, otherwise you can take the respiroscope without seed, and in that experiment you will find that the level of mercury remains same. It means there is no seed, no respiration, no absorption of oxygen, and the level will not change at all. So this experiment proves that oxygen is used during the process of aerobic respiration.